Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making the area safe and getting immediate access to the hitch. Put on gloves and eye protection, then chalk wheels and lift the trailer or vehicle just enough to relieve load from the hitch. Once done, remove the clip and pin, slide out the ball mount or receiver insert, and clean grime so you can see the bend clearly. Make sure to document how parts fit together. This helps when you reverse the process and ensures correct reassembly. You now focus on controlled straightening while watching alignment measurements. Start by supporting the hitch on wood blocks to spread pressure, then apply steady force with a hydraulic jack or shop press at the bend point. This avoids local overstress. If the steel is thick and springy, you may use moderate torch heat to soften the area, heat to a dull red then cool slowly, but make sure to protect surrounding paint and bearings. Once close, remeasure and repeat gentle adjustments until tolerances match factory specs. You finish by reinstalling the straightened component, replacing any pins, clips, or hardware that showed stress, and torquing fasteners to specified values. Once assembled, do a visual check, then carry out a short low-speed drive with a light load to confirm the hitch holds alignment and there is no unusual noise. If you see hairline cracks, persistent misalignment, or wobble during the test, stop. Make sure to replace the hitch or consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.